Hey, what's going on, my J-Hen travel crew? This is your boy J-Hen, and guess where I'm at again? I'm back at the Red Rock Canyons. Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
boy.
back here, back again. We got dancing TikTokers out here. But I'm back here in the mountains at the Red Rock Canyon. I ain't dressed appropriately, so I ain't doing too much, but we're doing a little bit of hiking out here, taking some photos, and just checking out the great scenery. Right now, it is, what's today? February 13th. No, February 12th. I done been here so long, I don't even keep track of days right now, but it's February 12th, and it's nice, it's sunny, and I need to come out this jacket because I'm getting a little warm, hot, and sweaty from jumping around, and I'm not dressed in my hiking clothes. But watch this video and check out these amazing views. You know, what do you think about when you think about seeing all these mountains and red rocks and all this creation? I mean, man, it just puts me in awe just thinking about, you know, so many good things.
Y'all go ahead. I'll be sitting up here waiting for you. You ain't going? Oh, no, never. DJ ain't going. Come on, DJ. Go over there. No, we ain't going on no. We can't go that far, Ma. Look at the mountains. Somebody singing somewhere? Yeah, this way look harder. Yeah, this way look harder than the other side.
Yeah. They ain't gonna give us some little spikes and slap on the ground. You roll down here, you gonna be rolling. They gonna roll on. I'm putting flat foot on the ground. I'm holding, touching. Don't mean nothing. I ain't got nothing to prove.
There's lots of different ways you can go all the way down here. Yeah, it's really pretty. You can go in rocks, but it goes down this little valley. Or you can go this way. There's all kinds of different ways to go.
Then that'd be a nice picture.
Where?
Y'all, if y'all would have been like,
Oh,
stop back, stop. Yeah.
I'm gonna stay down here.
You're not going up?
I ain't got the right shoes on. Unless I come right here.
Oh, shit.
Yep.
Oh, they stopping right there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, they don't want to just stop.
Do you want to piggyback with mommy? Want me to hold you and walk back? Piggyback, okay. So 1 second. Let me give daddy the camera. Okay, watch where you're going.
I gotta do it in 2 sections. Do it to this angle. I'm gonna stand right here, hit that angle. You know how to do it? Let me show you.
Nikki.
Okay, we came down in the shade. Now it's cooler over here. Look, we done came down. You can see how high that is right there. And it's a little, took some work getting down this little trail right here.
Yeah.
Look, it's slippery too.
A lot of work.
And those rocks falling off on the edge when you coming down. You gotta have on the right gear. And them rocks right here was sliding down over into the edge.
Where Frank at?
It's still beautiful views down here. Take a swim.
Where you at? Nigga went all the way down.
Take a swim. Whew, all it takes is one slippery spot.
Alright, I'm gonna stay right here.
Which way did he go? Red Rock, which way you go?
Oh Lord, I'm learning some new things about my knees and my legs.
Look at all these rocks and miniature boulders you gotta climb over.
You going all the way down here?
I bet you I ain't got no service now.
Now he told us he found water. Let's see if he's playing. Cause he plays so much.
If I was stranded, I found water. I would have died first. Look. I found water. A little creek. A little small creek.
That's only cause it rained.
A little creek. We gonna die of thirst.
These creeks like that is rattlesnakes.
There's rattlesnakes in this other
So
All right, man.
he wasn't lying. He did find some water.
It's a journey.
But look how far down we are.
Fuck that.
Told you I done been over on the other side. I ain't scared. I want to climb on the plates, the rocks over there,
I gotta let a nigga get on
the red one, so you can see the other side behind here. Look at this, you guys. Look through those cracks, and look how high up we are. Look through those cracks. That's how high up we are. But he wasn't lying. We did find some water.
Jungle man.
It's down here. Hey,
Come on.
it's down here.
Be very careful and quiet.
It sounds like it's down on this end.
Babies. Hi, come here. Oh, little mama, I'm not gonna hurt you, baby. I just want to talk to you. Oh, look at it, so precious. Look at I always expect to bit me.
Here we go, right here. There we go. There. Oh, it's a bird. There it goes. It's a bird. It's out. It was a bird.
Disturbed the playground.